Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 3T10 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, so let's tap on it, and unfortunately I'm not able to just turn the screen, so we will have to turn whole device. Alright, let me position it. Something like that. Alright, so probably you will be on the automatic mode. So in order to actually be able to change the video resolution, we have to switch to the video one. So just tap on the video, and if you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, and as you can see here, we've got this video section, and on the first position we've got the video quality, video resolution. So let's tap on it. And here we've got only two different options. So we've got the video quality 1080p, the ratio 16:9 and 30 frames per second, which we've got currently applied, or we've got 480p with the ratio 4:3 and again 30 frames per second. So basically all we can do here is to simply tap on the second option. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen quality, the chosen resolution, whilst it will be recording the videos. So of course it's up to you which option you'd like to use, but I highly recommend to simply keep this option turned on, as it is the best possible here. So basically that's all. This is how to change the video quality, the video resolution in your ALCATEL 3T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.